serious. They don't even care.
I mean, Southwest always was at me.
It'd be funny if we waved and then they sprayed the water cannon over the truck.
That would be cool. Maybe a waste of their water that they could use to firefight airplanes.
And they have lots more.
Wow, that was a smooth landing.
Dang.
I actually clicked video instead of picture. I picked picture instead of video on accident, and boy was disappointed.
How many more planes? It's freezing. My God. I thought we were doing the car up here.
Yeah.
That's good.
Well, first I want to film the A319. Because its wheels are touching the ground in 3, 2, 1.
That was butter.
Yeah, that was really... Oh my God, Nick, look, it's still buttering. Imagine I wasn't filming at all. All your pain in one video. Alright, let's film this one. Actually coming all the way down here.
Oh my God, that's why I'm so cold.
Oh yeah, it's coming in.
That's why I'm so cold, Riley. No!
Alright, it's lined with the runway. The Allegiant A319 should be landing any moment now. Please just be butter. Like,
I buttered it last time.
Yeah, they buttered it last time. This is as zoomed in as I can possibly get. So.
What plane is that?
Don't make fun of my photography skills. It's an Airbus A319-111. Imagine I accidentally wasn't filming. Emotional damage. Oh, that was butter.
Oh yeah.
Allegiant. Alright, it's moving. Maybe if I like stand up on here. Why do I feel like I'm like filming a 747 at Portland? Back in the 70s. It's just what people in the 70s were like when the 747 just came out. Enjoy your flight. Yeah, just Seattle though. Even though we drive there instead of flying.